My name is Seti and welcome back to the channel where we make educational technology easy for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can take any document, scan it and turn it into a PDF file on your Google Drive. Let's dive into it with another flipped classroom tutorial. Now let me just start by saying this tip will only work on Android, and if you do have an Android phone, make sure you have the Google Drive app installed. Now the Google Drive app on Android allows us to quickly scan documents and upload them into our Google Drive. Now how does this work? Well, very easy. Go ahead and open up your Google Drive app. Now once you're in the Google Drive app, what you'll want to do is you'll want to press that big plus button. Now there you will see that there are 6 options, and the one you want is the top right option which says scan. So go ahead and tap scan. This will open up your camera view, and what you can now do is find the document that you would like to have scanned. Simply snap a picture of that document and press OK. Now Google Drive is automatically going to get rid of all the sides of your picture and it's going to turn it into a neatly readable document. Now it also gives you the option to add multiple pages before saving it as a PDF file. Now at the top you can adjust the crop and color of the page, and at the bottom you have 3 more options. Now the left option allows you to add another page to this single document, and this allows you to have multiple pages in a single PDF file. And then finally we have the tick or check mark, which is going to tell Google Drive that we're happy with what we've got. So we're going to press OK. And now Google Drive is asking us where we would like to store this PDF file and what we would like to title it. So go ahead and give it a title, press save, and it automatically uploads this document. Now this is a huge time saver for anyone with an Android phone and looking to quickly upload their documents as PDF files and share them with others. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, dive into that comment section below. Let me know how you're going to use this. And if you have any other ways of turning documents into PDF files, let me know in that comment section below, as I would love to hear your solutions to this problem. In the meantime, thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.